Here is 42-inch Hampton Bay Huntington. It's actually known as Huntington, but I call it Huntington because it just makes me feel. It doesn't even look like anything that involves hunting. That's why I call it Huntington, because it really looks cute. The door is found on all speeds. That's low. That's medium. That's high. That's off. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.